Ooro. I'm a sister to Nico Ooro, who we were searching for as from 26th of February 2024. Fortunately, we were called in the morning by an unknown person who informed us about the whereabouts of my brother. So when we heard of the incident and how and how they came to realize Nick was abandoned there, then we decided as a family to prepare and go to Vihiga, where we were told that he has been admitted to the county referral of Vihiga. So upon reaching Vihiga, we found while the doctors were attending to our brother, and the county government of Siaya also reached and were there with my brother.
Kwa majina ni Mary Auma, bibi ya Nick. Ninafurahi sana moyoni mwangu kuona Nick ako live. Hata nimefurahi sana mpaka watoto leo wanafurahi.
Happy this afternoon to report that our colleague Mr. Nicholas Ooro, who yesterday we officially declared is missing. Mr. Ooro went missing from work on Tuesday morning. He was not found at his place of work. There was evidently some indications of a struggle, and so we notified the police. Since then, there's been a lot of concerted efforts to try and get hold of him. We are glad that in the dawn of this morning, today, just before 6, we got communication. I personally got communication from a village elder around a place called Buyani in Vihiga, notifying us that he had been found. First aid was administered to him. He was checked, and his condition was found to be stable. We are glad that he's safe and is able to go through medication. He's now been transferred to the referral hospital here at Siaya, where he's undergoing further examination just to be sure that he's okay. So we are waiting for doctor's report to confirm his status and to advise on what other medical procedures that may need to be undertaken on him. But we are happy. As a county, we're very thankful, especially to his colleagues